Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the X laptop stand with magnetic mobile phone holder. It's foldable portable laptop stand. It's made of aluminium, high adjustable and ergonomic computer stand. It's compatible with the MacBooks, Surface, Dells, Lenovo's 11 up to 15 inches laptops. And of course, iPad Pros too, as you can see. It's no problem to get this in position by using the magic keyboard onto it, okay? We have a multi-angle adjustment. The height and the tilt angle are easily to adjust. Unlike other models, this stand can be adjusted in height and inclination. The notebook stand can be between 8.2 centimeters and 18.8 centimeters height, which allows for unparalleled absolute adjustment, as you can see. You can tilt it up, tilt it down, lift it up, lift it down as you like. The angle will change, so this gives you a better and comfortable view of your or onto your laptop, and of course it makes an ergonomical way to make a workout on it or with it. You can use it in the office, in the home office, on your desktop. Maybe if you are on vacation, if you're on trip, on business trip, as you like. You can see it's fast, easy, and reliable because of the aluminium. And we have a stability and a protection. The laptop holder is made of high quality aluminium alloy, and the screw fastening method ensures that our laptop remains stable and we don't have to worry about it wobbles while typing on the keyboard. Really cool. And efficient heat dissipation. You know it if you have a laptop or a notebook. And if it rests on a desktop or on your body too, it's a problem because of the heat dissipation. The heat is the heat level will rise up because there is no ventilation anymore. But here is a solution for it. The hollow design reduces the contact surface with the computer, and the ventilation effect is strong, which can cool our laptop and protect against overheating and against falling and dropping down. It is really cool because the contact points between your laptop and the stand are made with, it's like a silicone rubber, and this protects your laptop, of course. It protects the X blades too, and it prevents from dropping it. And it's foldable and portable. The laptop stand can be folded flat and hung up, which frees up extra space on our desktop. It is easy to store and keeps the desktop tidy. In addition, there is an attached side laptop extension holder, which we can be firmly attached to the laptop or to a mobile phone next to the monitor and does not occupy the space. And of course, this smartphone holding system is really cool because there is a widely compatibility. No? It matches to all iPhones out there from the 12 series with Halo Lock. Okay, that means if you have MagSafe or Halo Lock, you can attach it onto the phone holder because there is a magnetic device thing. If you do not have such a notebook, not a notebook, such a smartphone, you can attach the knob. This is it's a sticker which will transform your standard smartphone to a MagSafe device. That's cool, isn't it? Oh yeah. And then you can attach it there. Okay, this laptop stand is compatible with all large gaming laptops, such as 11 up to 15 inches laptop models and sizes. The magnetic phone holder is suitable for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, 12 Pro, 12 Mini, of course. The 13 series too. That means 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, 13 Mini, whatever. No? Every iPhone which comes with the MagSafe system is attachable. No metal plate is required when we're wearing the MagSafe case or without the case, of course. The metal ring sticker is suitable for other mobile phones or not MagSafe cases. So you can transform your standard smartphone without a MagSafe system to make a wide compatibility to this smartphone holding system. And then you can attach it where you like. There has to be a flat surface. You can glue it onto it. You can attach it there, no problem, because there are labels. These labels you can use to stick it on a plate. For example, your refrigerator, your freezer, your fridge, your television, your monitor, your laptop, of course. Here, no, if maybe it can be a team. So this laptop stand can be attached, the laptop onto it, and the magnetic mobile phone holder onto the laptop itself. So you have this as a team. So you can see and work with the laptop, and you can use your smartphone too, as you like. And it's easy to remove it and connect it because of the magnetic field there. This is the really good looking and reliable aluminium frame laptop stand by Savalator with magnetic mobile phone holder. It's a foldable portable laptop stand made of aluminium, height adjustable and ergonomic computer stand. It's compatible with all kinds of laptops out there from 11 up to 15 inches, and of course your Apple iPad Pro will match onto it too if it is connected to a Magic Keyboard. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.